Welcome to our quick and practical guide on how to snooze someone on Facebook updated. If you're trying to take a little break from a friend's posts without unfriending or muting them completely, snoozing is a friendly option that keeps the connection intact. Here's a simple, step-by-step approach that works with the current Facebook app design. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage and that you're connected to a stable internet connection. This will help the app load smoothly as you navigate. Next, head to the profile of the person you want to snooze. You can find them by tapping the search bar at the top, typing their name, and selecting the correct profile from the results. Once you're on their profile, take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right person before proceeding. Look for the friends option on their profile. This is usually located near their cover photo and profile picture, often labeled with terms like friends or an icon representing connections. Tap that to open the friends menu. In the options that appear, you'll see several choices related to your relationship with this person. Tap on snooze for 30 days. Facebook gives you the flexibility to choose different snooze durations, but for this walkthrough, we'll select 30 days to give you a clear 1-month pause from their posts. Once you've tapped snooze for 30 days, you'll typically be shown a confirmation message explaining what will happen during the snooze period. If you're sure, confirm your choice. The screens may vary slightly depending on updates, but the core idea remains the same. You'll stop seeing their posts for the next 30 days without unfriending or blocking. After confirmation, you'll see a short notification or a small status update on your screen indicating that the person has been snoozed. You're all set. You can always review or cancel the snooze later by revisiting the snooze settings if you change your mind. Tips to keep in mind: snoozing is private to you. The other person won't know you've paused their post. If you're unsure about how long you want the break, you can choose a shorter duration or set a reminder to reevaluate before the 30 days are up. If their posts are causing repeated frustration, consider combining snooze with adjusting your newsfeed preferences for a more tailored experience. That's all there is to it. Snoozing is a clean, low-friction way to give yourself space while staying connected. If you found this walkthrough helpful, share it with someone who could use a calmer social feed, and remember to check back for more quick tips like this.